Have you ever wanted to connect with your followers in a real-time interactive way? Well, Instagram Live is the perfect tool for you. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to show you how to go live on Instagram. To go live on Instagram, just tap on the plus icon and then tap on the live option over here. There are various options available. You can add a title for your live here, and you can also schedule the live by tapping on the schedule icon. Here you can schedule the time and choose the audience for your live. After that, you can also tap on the settings icon and change various settings regarding your live, and then tap on the done button. After that, you can also choose the audience from here at the top of your capture button. You can choose the close friends or the followers, or you can also launch and practice live on Instagram. Just tap on the capture button to start the live. It will show you a timer, and you are live now. You can add requests to other people to join your live. You can invite your followers to join your live, and you can also mute and just turn off the camera of your live. And that's how you go live on Instagram. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.